And Libra.Dude Kenworth, yo, it sounds stupid. Oh my God. Yo, YouTube, my guys, what's going on? D-Dyke, man, welcome back. I know y'all been missing me, man. Shoot, I've been missing y'all. It's been over a month since I upload. What? I've been busy as hell, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But check this out. How many of y'all are familiar with the one and only on the YouTube, man? Libra.Dude. He's got a badass Kenworth w900, stretched out, clean, very nice guy. Very nice guy. Met him once before, man, and talked to him for like 20-30 minutes. Cool dude, man. Cool dude. But anyways, I was just leaving this spot. I'm on 75 heading south, heading home, right? And northbound on 75, guess who I seen? The man himself, Libra.Dude, man. I heard the Kenworth. I was like, that's my guy. But I'm like, I'm at exit 218, man. I wonder if I got enough time to go turn around and go chase him down and see if I can get a footage of his truck rolling. Cause I'm gonna tell you, man, Libra.Dude Kenworth, yo, it sounds stupid. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, I'm lost for words, man, because just how nasty this truck sound, man. But I'm gonna catch up to it just so y'all can see what I'm saying. The Libra.Dude truck sounds dirty. It sounds like the business, you feel me? And I was like, man, my girl gonna be mad at me, but I gotta turn around. I gotta go get this truck. I gotta go hunt him down. So right now I'm 75 northbound. I'm gonna jump on the 285, see if I can catch up with him. And when I catch up with him, man, y'all know the drill. Stick this phone out the window, man, and get y'all this footage. Because Libra.Dude truck ain't nothing to play with. You feel me? So stay tuned, man. Check it out. Caught up to Libra.Dude. Look at this badass right here. Yes, sir. Look at the guy, man. Yes, sir. We caught up to the God, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We caught up to the God, baby. Libra.Dude. Y'all hear that, bitch, man? Don't play with my guy, man. The best in the business. 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 The best in the business, baby. Yeah. Big Kenworth. Hey, man, if y'all ain't subscribed to Libra.Dude channel, need to go check my guy out, man. Y'all need to check my guy out, boy. This w9 is serious. This w9 ain't nothing to play with, boy. This w9 ain't nothing to play with. Ooh, look at this thing, man. Libra.Dude doing it right. Happy singing. Happy singing. Happy singing, boy. Happy singing. Nothing like a w900, man. I love his fuel tanks too. They're so long. The lights on the back of his cab. Look how stretch his frame is. Y'all see that? Look how stretch his frame is. Y'all gotta respect these truckers then, man. They out here on this road every day, making sure that we got what we need at our house. Look at this rig, man. He did such an amazing job building it, man. The guy's got a real cool story too, man. Real cool story, man. Now he's headed northbound, taking care of business. I love the profile of the w900, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? And his truck is low too. Love the smokestacks on this thing, man. Pushing it now. God damn, boy. What y'all think, man? Kenworth or Peterbilt, man? I love them both. You know what I'm saying? But I love this w9 right here, man. Because it looked good, but at the same time, it's a working truck. You know what I'm saying? You gotta respect them working truckers, man, that got nice trucks, man. Listen to it just roar, man. Libra.Dude riding this thing, man. Let this be motivation for y'all, man. You can work hard and get you one too. You just gotta work hard like my guy right here, Libra.Dude. beautiful beautiful rig, man. I don't know where it's going, but safe travels to my homie, man. Safe travels to all the truckers that out there, man. I know the industry's getting rough right now, but there's a few guys out here like me that respect y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for what y'all doing. It's all love, baby. Libra.Dude, until next time, stay safe on the road, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Proud of you, friend. Proud of you, homie. Big Kenworth w900. Big Kenworth w900. Yes, sir. We out, baby. Until next time.